Here we go, folks. Fat Guy Flies RC. We're out here at the Avon Park. We're going to take out the Ugly Stick by Hobby King. Now she's running a, like I said, a Venom 3200 3-cylinder. Land in the grass here. She's not hard to land at all. Sorry about the sun, folks, but she doesn't have flaps or anything. We're going to take off again here. And she's a plug and play. Just about hover. Actually, I was hovering there for a second, wasn't I? Well, anyways, I'm running, like I said, I'm running a Venom 3200 3-cylinder. She comes in a plug and play package from Hobby King. I picked her up for $119. All you gotta do is put in your battery, your receiver, and of course your transmitter and all your normal stuff, but all the hardware is provided and everything. She's a good plane. I have zero complaints about her. The landing gear, it's aluminum landing gear. It's a little soft, so you may have if you have too many hard landings, you might have a little bit of a bend. I've had that already, but it's simple to bend back, and it's pretty sturdy. But there again, like I say, we're not talking about a very expensive plane. Talking about a $119 plane. And let's see if we can't land in the grass this time. And well, no. Trying to keep it on this side of the runway so we're not blinded. Gotta be careful, there's a real plane coming overhead. So you keep your altitude real low. Remember, real planes always have right of way. Always have right of way. There's nothing really special about this plane, other than the fact, she's a 3-cell power. I guess you could convert her to a 4-cell. She's very, very aerobatic, as you can see, and I have her set for the lowest deflection, if I remember right, on mechanically. I'm running I'm running 30% Expo on all the surfaces. And 100% rates. All right, we're gonna go back around the other way. That is one drawback. You notice that right then? It is hard sometimes to tell your orientation because the same markings, they're going to land in the grass this time. Well, maybe not. The same markings are on the bottom of the wing or on top of the wing. And again, this is almost a profile plane. It's easy to kind of lose your orientation there, especially when you go up and you do that kind of stuff. Folks, it's getting hot out here in this hot August morning in Florida, which is to be expected when you live in Florida. Anything past 7:30 and it's just too hot. Let's see if we can't do an epic landing this time. Nope. I'll try it again, folks. Sorry. Like I say, I'm running an AR 620 antennaless receiver. So I have no kind of gyro or stabilization. Oh, that's good. Of course, I had the ground helping me. Well, folks, there it is. That is the Hobby King. Oh, you know I gotta do it. One more time. I think Danny Hinton, I think is your name. You always say, hey, you need to change my name to just one more time. Well, I had to be true to that. I highly recommend this plane though. There, shake some of the dew off of her. But like I said, the only drawback is landing gear is a little bit weak, and the markings are the same on the underside of the wing as on the top of the wing. Oh, and that is called taking a bow with style. Folks, thank you for watching. Let me go do my walk of shame here. We're gonna pick her up, take off one more time, because I can't end it this way. Can't do that. Oh, take off in that direction. All right. Let's see if we can't land it now. I know I'm further away from my cameraman than I should be. My wonderful camera lady. All right, folks, there you go. That is the Hobby King Ugly Stick. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and God bless.